All right, let's talk about scheduling your midterm and final exams. There will be two exams in this class that must be proctored, your midterm and your final exam. It looks like we have two different opportunities for us to take the midterm and final exam. One, either using ProctorU, or two, using our own GCC Testing Center, the TS3 building. Now, your midterm and final exam have a testing window where you must take your exam in that testing window. Let's say your exam is due on March 6th. I suggest you maybe make your appointment before March 6th, maybe the 5th at the very latest. That way, in case there's any issues, you have a 24-hour grace period to contact me and we can figure out how to schedule your exam within those 24 hours. Because remember, there are no late exams or retakes on the midterm and final. Appointments are first come, first serve, so make sure that you schedule your appointment early so you're guaranteed the spot that you'd like. So let's talk about how you're going to schedule your exam. You can schedule it with ProctorU, which is a virtual proctoring service. ProctorU is open nearly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but you need to make sure that you give yourself time and make an appointment as soon as possible so you're not charged a fee for ProctorU. I would suggest that you do this at least 3 days before you would like to take your exam. Make sure ahead of time that you've checked your technology and all the equipment that you need. Make sure you do this a few days in advance in case there's any issues. Remember, there are issues with tablets and Chromebooks. They are not compatible with ProctorU. So please make sure if that's the only thing that you have, you must take it in this testing center and not ProctorU. Make sure that you have a valid photo ID and that you have a private, well-lit work area and you followed all the directions for ProctorU. In order to take your exam with ProctorU and schedule your exam with ProctorU, you can click on this link here to schedule your appointment. They'll give you an appointment time, and then you can follow the directions from there. The second option of taking your exam is with our GCC Testing Center. So not math solutions, but our actual testing center at the GCC main campus. They are offering in-person proctoring. That way you don't have to worry about any technology issues, computer, video camera, anything like that. Here are the hours of operation for our testing center. In order to schedule your exam, you can click on this link here or simply call the phone number to make an appointment. Again, make sure that you schedule that appointment in advance because there are limited testing appointment opportunities. Okay, there are some Saturday testing hours, but you'll need to make sure that you check the website or contact them to make sure that they are open on the Saturday that you need. Make sure that you have your GCC ID and your student ID number, or at least a valid ID and your GCC student ID number. Make sure that you have the approved calculator and a pencil with you. If you have any questions about scheduling your midterm or final exam, please let me know. Again, please make sure that you do that well in advance so that you're guaranteed the spot that you'd like.